We begin by creating a simple JavaScript object named TargetObject, which will serve as the target for our proxy. This object includes a name property with the string value proxy target and a value property with the numerical value 42. Next, we define a handler object named LogHandler. This handler has a get method which acts as a trap for property access. Whenever a property is accessed, this method logs a message indicating which property was accessed and then returns the actual property value using the reflect_get function. Now, we create a proxy object called ProxyObject using the new proxy constructor. This constructor takes the original target object and the LogHandler as arguments. The proxy object behaves like the original, but with the added logging functionality provided by the handler. To test our proxy, we access the property's name and value through ProxyObject. As we do so, each access is logged to the console, demonstrating that our proxy is indeed intercepting property reads and logging them as intended. This is useful for debugging or monitoring access to certain properties. To conclude, proxies in JavaScript provide a powerful way to add custom behavior to object property access. In this example, we've showcased how you can use a proxy to log each access to an object's properties for debugging purposes. The power of proxies doesn't stop here. They can be used for a wide range of tasks, including validation, profiling, or even auto-populating properties. Happy coding!